Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. We got a whole lot of stuff going down right now. We got wheels and tires going on, coilovers, and maybe this thing's gonna get started today. Welcome to today's video. And went ahead and went with the 17-inch wheels, US mag. Literally came here and hand delivered these to me in person. So I want to thank you guys, HTV01. Thank you guys, thank you for coming out here and helping me with this project. This is my last final test fit with the 17-inch wheels. That way I can order my tires. One thing I like about these US mags is that they're like literally super light. Very excited because I got a box from our first sponsor for the Mustang build. So let's open it up right now. So one thing that I wanted to do to this Mustang is drop it. So I reached out to Alden American. He is the first partner. So I want to give a huge shout out to Alden American for being a part of the SOS family and hooking us up with some coilovers for the Mustang. All right, now we drilled this thing through. This thing's sitting flush on the panel. Now it's time to go ahead and try to install our coilover that's gonna sit up on the A-arm perches. Let's go ahead and try that out. Well, not bad for a day's work. We got all the Alden suspension in, got the motor in, got the trans in, got the rear suspension in as well. We still have the rear disc brake conversion that we have to do. The gas tank is not bad, right? It still does its function. But the way that this car is looking, like it's either gonna be all brand new or refurbished. And I wanna look underneath here and see every nut and bolt has been turned on this car, and I know that this thing is good. And I'm able to put my family in this car and feel comfortable. I'm in a place that I have to see exactly what I'm gonna do, guys, because I don't know if I'm gonna change this color or not. This is the 100% original color on this car. And you can open the trunk and see it. You can see on the inside of the fender apron that this is the original color. I mean, it has been repainted, you know, but this is the original color. So that's a very tough decision to make, to see if I am going to go ahead and do a full color change or I'm going to keep it the same color. I really need you guys' help because the way this thing's going, it's going to definitely be a resto mod. But it'd be cool to, you know, do the same color, but it would also look way nicer if we change this color. I need your guys' help. Please drop a comment. Give me some color suggestions. You guys know we can do anything. So I just need some help with the color. Super excited with everything else. This thing is coming together. Really nice. I'm super happy with how it's turning out. Everything is looking like brand new. Here we have the quarter panel. So I've yet to open this box yet, so let's see what this thing looks like. That's some quarter, baby. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the real bad section right here. This thing got crunched up, literally horrible. This is, I don't know if this was the primary impact or the front or who knows what. But I do know that we have a brand new quarter panel here. And if I'm being quite frank, obviously, you know, it comes with a full side that we can go ahead and, you know, take this vent section off, take the glass off, sneak it on there, pull off the whole quarter section and replace it. But if I'm being quite frank with myself, this section is still really good and it's still the original metal. Really torn because I don't know if I want to replace the whole quarter or I'm just gonna splice it in. a big part of me right now is leaning towards splicing it in and keeping the rest of this factory metal that is still in great condition and gaps up very nicely, versus replacing my original American steel with this stuff that more than likely came from China. So I think what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and cut it, splice this quarter panel, and get a new rear valence. Definitely gonna try to save this and keep this repair within budget and within time, and get this thing up and running as soon as possible. So that being said, let's go ahead and start cutting this freaking quarter panel. So right now what we're gonna try to do is kind of pull this stuff back, get a little bit better edge on our cut, grind that off, and cut our new quarter panel to fit this old opening. So let's get to that next. Okay, we went ahead and grinded off all the old tacks and everything like that, feathered this out. Now we're ready to go ahead and throw some all metal. So much has been accomplished in just a short amount of time. If you would have showed me this a couple months ago and tell me I'd be this far along, this quick, I probably wouldn't have believed you, because we have literally so many other cars to work on, and for me to be able to get this much done, and with the help of my crew, it's been nothing but fun time. So next week the goal is to finish up the full brake setup, get the guts in the door here so we get this properly aligned, and finish up getting this thing running. That's one of my top priorities, is getting this thing running. Look at those new hinges, super nice. And obviously getting this thing running. You want to get this thing running. That's going to be the icing on the cake when I can literally whip this thing around the block. I don't even care if this thing is painted or bodywork or fully assembled. I just want to take this thing for a drive and really get to enjoy the fruits of our labor. And I really hope you guys are there to watch us every step of the way until this thing is done. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you, all the positive feedback, all the comments, every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button because this thing is moving so fast. Also, for daily updates, go ahead and follow us on IG. I'm going to go ahead and drop our links right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.